like some bitter old warhorse crying about the years you had to play hero. Let me remind you, nobody forced you to kiss babies. Nobody made you wear the neon shirts. You chose to play that role because deep down you're addicted to the spotlight. But now the mask is off. Now we see the real John Cena. And his...
Oh my God, John Cena with Cody Rhodes! Oh my God! Let's do it, John Cena! That's holding that rope. Oh my God!
Welcome everybody back to WFC, and I hope you enjoy this good one as we have a barbed wire death match, and it is for the WFC Hardcore Championship. Awesome. What can they expect in this kind of matchup?
They could expect a crazy match, but let's stop talking because Cody Rhodes is making his entrance.
This is our hardcore WFC champion. Mind you, the barbed wire does explode. Cena losing his balance, too close to the barbed wire.
Oh, crap, John Cena! Cody with the chair to the head of John Cena. Oh my God, again! John Cena is done. Cody is putting a barbed wire panel in there?
Crossroads from Cody.
Whoa! Whoa! What is this?
Maxwell Jacob Freeman, aka MJF, is here. Oh my gosh, and he goes for Cody. Kangaroo kick.
You know, getting ready. Cena getting ready.
Maxwell seems to be working with Cena momentarily. Attitude adjustment.
John Cena just retained his title, but this doesn't change anything. Is he ready for WFC and Awesome Wrestling War Games?
Seconds as we approach the next entry for Team Judgment Day. He's in a pretty good position right now. And here comes...